Do you want to know how you can log into your PGIM Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your PGIM Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for PGIM Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of PGIM. Click OK and you can see the login option. You can see you can log in using your PAN number, email address, mobile number or user ID. So you can go ahead and write down your user ID or anything. Click proceed and then you can see a password option pop up if you have an account in PGIM. So go ahead and open PGIM and then you can click OK and you can see login portal on the right hand side. Go ahead and write down your PAN, email, mobile or user ID number. Click proceed, write down your password and then you can log into your PGIM Mutual Fund account quite easily. If you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, go ahead and click on this link and then you can recover your account quite easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.